Dad, emergency. The car is making a noise. Not a normal noise, a rich noise, an expensive noise.
Cars don't make rich noises, Phil. They make repair bills. What did the mechanic say?
$1,200. Also, the fridge died Sunday. Also, I have $43.
Rich versus poor is not about who gets the emergency. Everybody gets the emergency. The difference is whether it lands on a cushion or on a credit card. Phil is about to find out which one he has. $43, and the week just handed you a $1,200 bill. What's the plan?
I'm manifesting. I've been talking to the car. Calmly, explaining that we cannot afford this right now.
He's been negotiating with a check engine light for 3 days. The light is winning.
And when the light doesn't listen? Who actually pays the mechanic on Friday?
The credit card. That's what it's for. It's basically a superhero cape for money.
It's a cape that charges you 24% to wear it, and here's the real difference.
It was never about income. A rich man's emergency was already paid for before it happened.
2 people, same broken car. One writes a check. The other starts a 7-year relationship with a bank. The poor mind says, I'll deal with it when it happens. The rich mind says it already happened. I funded it back in March. Same broken car, same repair bill. One of them pays a mechanic. The other pays a mechanic and then pays a bank for 7 years.
Nobody can predict a fridge dying, Dad. That fridge gave no warning, no note, nothing.
Nobody predicts which surprise. Everybody can predict that one is coming. That's the entire trick.
Fine, but the card handles it. I pay the minimum. Life goes on, everybody stays happy.
Let's see how happy. $1,000, 24%, minimum payments only.
$1,000 on a card at 24%, paying only the minimum. It takes 82 months to clear. That is 6 years and 10 months. And you don't pay $1,000. You pay $2,032. The repair cost $1,000. Having no buffer cost the other $1,000.
82 months? For one repair? That's almost 7 years of paying for a noise.
$2,032 total. Your $1,000 problem doubled while you slept.
And that assumes nothing else breaks for 7 years. Name 1 year where nothing broke.
It's not bad luck, Phil. It's just life, arriving on schedule and never calling ahead.
Meanwhile, I'm riding Rain's bike to work. It has a basket and a bell. I ring the bell.
Dignity is cheaper than interest. But look at where your paycheck goes now, every single month.
Without a buffer, every surprise becomes a loan. Then the loans start stacking on each other.
That's the spiral. Not one big mistake, just small emergencies, borrowed at 24%.
So the credit card isn't a cape. It's a trapdoor.
With no buffer, your paycheck flows out to the mechanic, then to the card, then to interest, every month for years. With a buffer, the same emergency takes one quiet withdrawal, and the flow stops right there. The bill is identical. The wall in the middle is what changes the price. A very polite trapdoor. It smiles while it opens. A cash buffer is the floor underneath.
That's all an emergency fund is. Boring money that stops a bad week becoming a bad decade.
But I can't magic up thousands of dollars, Dad. I've tried. Twice. It didn't work either time.
You don't start with thousands, $1,000. $85 a month gets you there this year.
$85? That's 2 dinners out. That's the whole wall between me and the spiral.
Same paycheck, different order. That's genuinely the only difference between you and Grandpa.
Start with $1,000. $85 a month gets you there inside a year, and that wall is what stops one bad week from turning into a bad decade. Then build the real one, 3 to 6 months of expenses. Next time, 5 debts, 1 plan, and which one you kill first. That's the first wall. Then build the real one, 3 to 6 months of your expenses. Poor thinking borrows the surprise. Rich thinking already funded it. Next time, 5 debts, which dies first?